Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started on our cat drawing. We're going to draw a curved line near the top of our paper. This is going to be the top of our kitty cat's head. And then once we're done with that, we're going to add these triangle shapes right next to that curved line, one on each side. Those are going to be the ears. Then we're going to add a little bit more detail by adding the same shape but smaller inside the ear. And once you have that, we're going to draw the sides of our kitty cat's head. So we're going to do the same curved line on both sides and then stop. We need to leave a little bit of room for the body. So now we're going to draw 2 circles in the middle of his face. 2 circles. And then a smaller circle. So a bigger circle and then a smaller circle. And then out of those 2 circles, what we're going to do next is we're going to color in the bigger circle. So leave the little circle uncolored, color in the big circle. That way our kitty cat is super duper cute. Then we're going to draw an upside down triangle for the nose, just like that, and his little mouth. So it's kind of a curved line going up from the nose, and then a little line for the snout. So now that we're done with his mouth, we're gonna add some cute little whiskers, because everyone knows that kitty cats have whiskers. So cute. Now we're gonna start drawing the body. So we're gonna start from that curved line and go down to this point. Leave a little bit of room for his feet. I'm gonna do it on both sides, just like that. Then we're gonna draw an oval on that side and then an oval on the other side. These are gonna be his hind feet. Then we're gonna draw his front feet. They're this U shape, like a long U. Then we're gonna add 2 little lines. Those are for his toes, giving him a little more detail. We're gonna do it on the front and the back paws. And then a little circle for the paw pad on the hind feet. Just the hind feet, not the front feet. And we also need to draw the rest of the body. So we're gonna draw a curved line to connect all of it together. Here we go. And then there's one more thing we gotta do. We gotta draw his tail. His tail is kind of curved. It kind of looks like a Cheeto Puff. And there we have it. When you're all done, you can color it however you want. I decided to make mine an orange tabby, but you can make it any color that your heart desires. You can add accessories like a bow or a hat, whatever you want to make your kitty unique. All right, have fun coloring, guys.